to fix the problem, instead of redirect the get items here, we are going to return a JSON response by returning a JSON object redirect. And because we want to go back to the items page, which is the index page, so we copy this one and paste here. So now if we back to the index item page, so if we back to the item detail page, and then we're going to get the response, and then we treat this as the JSON object, and then we get this data, and then we try to console.log the data. Now first we go to add the new item, and then we open the developer tools, and then we go to delete. Now you see it has the data redirect items. So now we are going to use this data and then redirect to the home page. So we type window.location.href is equal to data.redirect. Now if we go back to the home page and add the items, again we add the phone, and then we type 1000 and add the items. Now we go to the detail page, and then we press delete. Now we go to the items. This is because there is something wrong here, because we should not use this path. This is for posting the new items. We should use get items or even just the /. So we use the get items, and then we try to add the phone again. Now we go to the detail page and press delete. Now you can see it go to the home page, and you can see there are no items here. So it refreshes the page and also update the number of items.